Today we are going to learn how to program default features on a Ricoh printer. Now let's say I want to scan. I'll go to Scanner. Now, if I check the default file type, it will show TIFF, but I want PDF, so I'll select PDF. As I want the scanned file to appear in color, I'll select full color text and photo. I'll increase the resolution to 300 for better quality. Now let's say after using I press reset or switch off the printer, it'll go back to black and white and the file type will go back to being TIFF again. So how can I register my favorite settings as default? First select your preferred file type. Then choose your preferred color mode. I'll choose full color text and photo. Next choose your preferred resolution for scanning. I'll go with 300 dpi. After checking the summary of all the preferred settings on the left-hand side, go to Program or Change Program. Now, on the right-hand side, on top, select Program as defaults. Now select Program. Select Yes. Now if you hit reset, you can see that the machine retained your favorite settings. Even if you power off or restart your printer, the printer will save it as your default scan settings. Now, let's see another example. We will try to set our preferred settings as default for photocopy. As you can see, the default color mode for photocopiers is set to black and white here. For the convenience of use, we'll set Auto Color Detect. Now, just like we did earlier, we'll go to Program, Change Program. Program as defaults. Program. Yes. Now if you hit reset or restart your printer, you can see the settings that we registered has been set as default. I used a Ricoh MPC 3004 printer for the demonstration. For older models such as MPC 3000 or 3001, you will find the Program Change Program button over here. For MPC 3002 or 3003, you can find the Program Change Program button over here. Thank you for watching. If you found the video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. If you like the contents on our channel, a sub to the channel will be super helpful.